we can see question number 2. We can do any two parts from the question number 2 of exercise 2.2 also. Yes, of NCERT. So here you can see some of the zeros are given and the product of zeros are given. Yes. So they are telling find the quadratic polynomial. So I taught you the formula x square minus sum of zeros. Yes. Into x plus product of zeros. So the same concept we can use, the same formula we can use, and we can get the quadratic polynomial. So here you can see x square minus sum of zeros. So if you are understanding, the sum of zeros is 1 by 4 and minus 1. So here you can see 1 by 4 is given as sum of zeros. So we can put it here 1 by 4 into x, and product of zeros is given minus 1. Yes. So now we can write x square minus x by 4 minus 1. So you can see this is the quadratic polynomial which is formed. Yes. Similarly, we can do, this is the first question. Similarly, we can do suppose this question number 6. Yes. The same thing, we can say that x square and the same formula, sum of zeros is 4, so minus 4 into x. Yes. And product of zeros is given 1, so this is the answer. In that way we can do the other questions also. The concept is same, the fundamental is same. So in that way we can see that exercise 2.2 question number 1 as well as 6 is done. Now we are going to discuss about the verification of relationship between the coefficients and zeros for the cubic polynomial. Yes, one question is given actually in the NCERT. Yes, I want to show you in the examples. Here you can see they are telling in example number 5 there are the zeros 3 minus 1 and minus 1 by 3. Everybody can see cubic polynomial and px is equals to this. Then verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So here you can see the zeros are given as well as the cubic polynomial is also given. They are telling verify the relationship and between the zeros and the coefficients, and we need to verify if these are the zeros or not. Yes. So let's see, we are going to discuss this question. Yeah, this is the question. Yes, this is the question. So here you can see the given cubic polynomial is 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Yes. So we need to check actually 3 minus 1 and minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the polynomial or not. So just we can substitute it here 3. So 3 and 3 cube minus 5 3 square minus 11, and in place of x we are putting 3. So now we can solve. So 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. 27 into 3 81. Yes. 3 square is 9 and 9 into 5 is what? 45. And 11 into 3 is what? 33 and minus 3. So here we can see 81 and here we can add 36 and 36 and 45. So minus 45 and minus 36. So 6, 5, 11 and 1 carry, and 4 plus 3 is 7 and 1 8. So here 81 minus 81 is equals to 0. So 3 will be the zeros of the given polynomial. Similarly, we can check for p minus 1. Put here 3 minus 1 whole cube minus 5 x square is minus 1 whole square 11 minus 1 and minus 3. So here you can see minus 1 cube is minus 3 and here minus 5. Minus 11 into minus 1 is plus 11 and minus 3. So here 5, this minus 3, minus 5 and minus 3. So if I will add, it will be minus 11 and plus 11. Overall it will be 0. Got it? Similarly, we can check for the p minus 1 by 3. Yes. So you can see if I want to check p minus 1 by 3. So how to work out? P of minus 1 by 3. So here we can see the equation. It is given 3x cube. So 3 minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 x square is what? Minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 11 x is what? Minus 1 by 3 and minus 3. So here you can see 3 and it will become minus 1 by 27, minus 5 and here it will become 1 by 9 and it will become plus 11 by 3 minus 3. Yes, we can solve this. So 3 9 is 27. Yes, so here we are getting as minus 1 by 9 and minus 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 and minus 3. Yes, so here you can see this will become 11 by 3. Yes, here we can simplify, we can get the answer. So definitely it will be 0. Yes, keep in mind it will be 0. If you are doing any calculation mistake, don't worry about that. If they are telling verify, it means 100% it will be. When you will simplify, you will get the 0. Got my point? You want to see? Let's see. So it will become minus 6 by 9. Yes, plus 11 by 3 minus 3. Yes, here we can simplify. 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. So minus 2 by 3. Yes, so minus 2 by 3 plus 11 by 3 minus 3. So minus 2 and minus 11, it will be plus 9. 9 by 3 is 3. So 3 minus 3 is what? 0. So we can say that actually these minus 1 by 3, minus 1 as well as 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Yes, I think the first part of the question is clear. In the second part of the question, what they are telling? They are telling find out, prove, we need to work out with the relationship. Yes, we need to work out with the relationship. Yes, they are telling verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Yes, so if we are talking about the polynomial, yes, this polynomial px is equals to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x and minus 3. So I think everybody knows a is 3, yes, and b is minus 5, c is minus 11 and d is minus 3. And we have already discussed the relationship, you can see. Yes, yes, so here we can see a is 3, b is minus 5 and c is minus 11 and d is minus 3. Yes, we can write all these the coefficients of x cube and coefficient of x square, x and constant term from the given polynomial. Now you can see, we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma, there are three relations, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma. So here you can see alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to we can say that minus b by a, and here you can see alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma. Alpha is equals to c by a and alpha beta gamma is equals to minus d by a. So always keep in mind, in numerator b, c, d, and in denominator always it will be a and alternate positive negative sign. Here first minus plus minus. In that way we can keep in mind. So here you can see if I am talking about this is the relation. So here if I am talking about alpha plus beta plus gamma, yes. So some of the zeros. So some of the zeros we know that 3, yes, minus 1 by 3, 3 minus 1 by 3 and minus 1. 3 plus minus 1 by 3 and plus minus 1. Now we can add. So we can take 3 as a LCM. So 9 minus 1 and minus 3. So it will become 9 minus 4, 5 by 3. Yes. So 5 by 3 is what you can see here. Coefficient of x cube is a and b is minus 5. So we can say that minus of b divided by a. So that is the, similarly we can say that alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Yes, so I think everybody is understanding. Here we are taking alpha as 3, beta as minus 1 by 3 and gamma as minus 1. So in any order we can take, that will work out. So here we can see alpha into beta. So 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus beta minus 1 by 3 into gamma and gamma into alpha. Yes, so 3 3 cancel and it will become minus 1 plus 1 by 3 and minus 3. So now we can work out minus 4 plus 1 by 3. Yes, so we can say that 3 is the LCM. So minus 12 plus 1. So it will be minus 11 by 3. So here you can see minus 11 by 3 is what? C, and coefficient of x cube is a, so C by a. So that is the relationship here. Alpha into beta into gamma. Now we can say, so we can multiply 3 minus 1 by 3 and minus 1. If you will multiply, so 3 and 3 cancel and it will become 1. And if we are observing here, so it will become, yes, here it will become d by a, and here the sign will come minus. Yes, so it will be equals to, here it is coming 1 and that will be equals to minus d by a. Yes, here we can observe also, in that way we can work out with all the questions related to cubic polynomial. Yes, so this is all about in this video. Thank you.